Quick egg, cucumber, and carrot sandwich recipe. Looking for a light, healthy, and delicious tea time snack? This egg sandwich with cucumber and carrots is quick to prepare, full of flavor, and perfect for both kids and adults. With creamy eggs, crunchy vegetables, and soft bread, it makes a refreshing snack or even a light lunch. Ingredients: 4 hard-boiled eggs, 1/3 cup finely chopped carrot, 1/3 cup finely chopped cucumber, 2 tablespoons chopped green onions, 2.5 tablespoons mayonnaise, salt and black pepper to taste, soft butter for spreading, bread slices, white or brown, as preferred. Method: boil the eggs for 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool, then peel and mash with a fork. Prepare the vegetables by finely chopping carrots, cucumbers, and green onions. Mix the filling by combining mashed eggs, vegetables, mayonnaise, salt, and black pepper in a bowl. Stir well. Butter the bread on one side of each slice. Assemble the sandwich by spreading the egg mixture evenly on one slice, then covering with another slice of bread. Cut and serve by trimming the edges, optional, and slicing diagonally for a classic look. Enjoy your fresh and wholesome egg, cucumber, and carrot sandwich with a hot cup of tea